Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. You know, a lot has happened over the past 24 hours, exactly something I was talking about in my previous update. You guys can see this for yourself. Just one day ago, I talked about that, Ladies is showing a lot of strength within its price, and as a matter of fact, we have seen that massive breakout that I have discussed in my previous update. So we're going to be talking about what exactly is next. So let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Ladies right now, as of August 26, you guys can see still about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 34,195, up a staggering 23% in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and ETH comparative. Looking at its market cap, $30.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $10 million. So we have seen that massive breakout, which I was discussing yesterday. Charts to speak for themselves, and resistances should not be ignored, supports should not be ignored, and this is a great example of that. If we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see about 64.5k followers. As far as announcement goes, we haven't really seen any sort of big announcement coming out of Ladies as of now, but if you guys watch my other updates, I did talk about that Pepe investors are looking elsewhere. We have seen some things happen within the Pepe community. As far as the projects is concerned, people that are associated with Pepe, just 2 days ago, about $15 million worth of Pepe was transferred on exchanges and dumped. So obviously that is going to cause investors to kind of look elsewhere, and they have every right to do that. And obviously, as mentioned in my other update, that Ladies is going to be one of the projects that is going to be quite appealing to these investors, because remember, at the end of the day, out of all these meme coins that have launched around the same time, Pepe and obviously Ladies are one of the ones that still are being talked about. And Ladies is one of the projects that has held above the $20 million market valuation, despite so much uncertainty within the markets, especially meme coins. But now let's get right into the chart, see what is happening, what exactly happened, and what are some next targets that I could be aiming for in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer though, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at exactly what happened. So just since yesterday, if you managed to pick up some Ladies around this 2,779 cents mark, especially after breaking out of that level of resistance at that 32.73 mark, which I was talking about, you can see we saw Ladies go up really high. You can see we saw a move of about 70% in a single day, and we made our way back above that 45.23 mark, that massive level of resistance, which last time we were above that was July 1st. So it's been quite some time, and we have seen Ladies break out of that. And obviously right now we're seeing a little bit of a correction happening from that range. People are going to take profits. A futures market, there is a futures market for Ladies, so a lot of manipulation can occur. Remember, manipulation for a project with such a low market valuation can happen really fast. It's really easy to manipulate low capped coins, and that's what we have seen happen with Ladies. But the strength is back, and that's exactly what I spoke about yesterday in my previous update, that I'm noticing that the charts are starting to show some massive bullish momentum. And as a matter of fact, a few hours later, we did see that massive breakout towards the upside. Right now, what we're seeing happening is we're seeing this support line at the previous 34-38 level of support, which obviously we have built up over some time, is the support where we're currently sitting at. So this is great to see. We have broken out, and this is what you as a Ladies holder really should be aiming for. So what is next? That might be the question that you guys have right now. So one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is that the momentum once again is on Ladies' side, and once the momentum really gets going, things can start heating up really fast. Now we've seen this in the past before. Remember what happened when we broke out of that level of resistance? We saw the Ladies go up about 94%. And just like that, this time around, we're seeing something very similar playing out. If you see after we broke out of that level of resistance, we saw the price go up another 42%. So you can see this for yourself, that these lines that I have drawn are just not some random lines, that I'm just bored drawing around the charts. These are actually important levels of resistance that we need to be examining. And you can see this clearly for yourself. We literally touched that resistance and seen a rejection. So I'm sure a lot of people are really getting the picture as to what I'm trying to show you guys right now. So the question is, what happens next? So right now, like I said, the momentum is back on our side. Great price movements happening. Crazy amount of volume that we haven't seen for quite some time. But we need to be paying attention to Bitcoin. Sorry. Bitcoin right now is still sitting at some very crucial levels. Remember, as I've mentioned to you guys in my other updates, CME futures are closed on the weekends, and when that is the case, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board. So these are some factors that we need to be keeping in mind, because if Bitcoin gets pushed back down to 25k mark and loses that support line, $22,000 BTC is on the table, and that can impact ladies right now. But what I would like to see ladies do is hold around this level and actually start trading sideways. As long as it trades sideways, that is totally okay. Obviously trade sideways and move back up to this level of resistance, possibly retest that. As long as we're above this level of support at this 32.66, I am completely happy, because obviously it is going to take some time. It's not going to be just a straight one line all the way up to our 24th June high. So it's going to take some time. It's a step-by-step process, but I'm really liking this breakout that was highly anticipated, and this is showing that ladies has steam for itself. Looking at BTC dominance, on the other hand, 49.15%. So not much has happened as far as the dominance index is concerned. BTC, on the other hand, is something that we need to be paying a very, very close attention to. If Bitcoin is able to make its way up to 26k mark, this $26,500 mark that we retested on August 24th, that is going to be a great sign, and I really think ladies can take massive advantage out of that and really start pushing to some newer highs. But at the same time, right now, as of now, we need to see the price hold around these levels. So let me know down below if you guys caught this, if you guys were accumulating while there was massive bloodbath across the board. Where could you see the price of ladies going? I want to know in the comment section. I know a lot of comments coming in over the past few hours, saying Crypto ZX, exactly what you have projected just happened with ladies. Ladies had a massive breakout, and it's great to see that. We were seeing the signs of that, and I'm one of the content creators that keeps it 100% transparent and real. I'm not going to just come out here and say, oh yeah, ladies is going to the moon, when really it isn't. It's showing some massive weakness. But indeed I did see and I did sense that strength, and as a matter of fact, we did see that massive move towards the upside. Remember, these are some things that we need to study and pay very close attention to. Right now, I still think we have a lot of momentum on our side, but we need to hold around this support line, especially above this 32,000 mark. But that is it for today's update, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support. I love each and every one of you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.